Welcome, today I am with JBL Tune 115 true wireless sound earphones, and I'll show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. We got two methods. The first one, you have to open the charging case, click disclaimer. You have to remember to charge your case and earphones itself at least to the 50%. Next, you have to remove both earbuds from the case. And right now, just take a look on these indicators right here. When one of them starts blinking on the blue and white, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So you have to simply wait. And there it is. The right one is blinking. So right now we can finally open the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And just take a look. On the available devices list, we have our earphones. So we have to tap on them once. Click pair. And as you can see, right now, we are successfully connected. So right now, I will show you how to move them to the pairing mode manually. You know, when you remove them from the case and indicators are not blinking, so I will show you how to get rid of that problem. But at first, I'm gonna disconnect and unpair them. I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth. And right now, we have to turn them off. So when you click on this buttons right here, and when they are blinking or when they blink once, it means that they are activated. To turn them off, you have to click and hold both buttons for 5 seconds until indicator blinks 2 times on white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. Right now you can release. Next, we have to turn them on. So we have to click and hold both buttons for 2 seconds until the indicator blinks on the white 2 times. Let's make it right now. Click and hold. And right now release. Next step, you have to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Just take a look on the available devices list. The right one is blinking on the blue and the white, so they are successfully in the pairing mode. Accept the pairing request, and there it is. As you can see, we are connected. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.